Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the INSIGNIA NS-85F501NA26 F50 Series 4K UHD TV, a massive screen designed to bring a true theater-style experience into your home. With its huge 85-inch display and 4K Ultra HD resolution, this TV delivers sharp detail and impressive clarity, whether you're watching movies, sports, or streaming your favorite shows. HDR10 support enhances contrast and color, helping bright scenes pop while darker scenes maintain solid depth. Audio is powered by DTS Studio Sound, providing clear and room-filling sound from the built-in speaker system. While it won't replace a full surround setup, it offers a strong audio experience right out of the box. As a Fire TV edition, it comes with built-in access to popular streaming apps and includes an Alexa voice remote. You can search for content, adjust volume, or control smart home devices using simple voice commands. For gaming and everyday viewing, it performs well, though the 60 Hz refresh rate isn't aimed at competitive high frame rate gaming. Overall, this is a large, feature-packed 4K smart TV that delivers solid value for big screen entertainment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.